Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking chapter 3 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment help, your exam help, or you want to read for complete course. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I will provide you A plus grade in your all assignment, exam, quizzes, and complete course. I can handle all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, and many more courses. Okay, let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Now first we will enable editing. Now the focusing on title of assignment is XP22 Excel Chapter 3 ML2 grades. Okay, here is project description to get. You can see here project description to get idea about your project. Now moving on, question number 1. Question 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel Chapter 3 ML2 grades. XLS grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal. You can download this file from your Pearson portal easily. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. You can see this my file. I have downloaded from Pearson portal. Okay, now moving on next question. Next question is question number 2. A pie chart is an effective way to visually illustrate the percentage of the class then earned A, B, C, D, and F grades. Use the insert tab to create a pie chart from the final grade distributions data located below the student data in the range F35 to F39, G39, and move the pie chart into on sheet name distribution. You can copy this range first. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, then we will enable editing first of this sheet. Now we will enter this range and range area. Okay, this range will be inserted and then we will create a pie chart. Moving on Excel workbook, then click on insert tab. Simply click on insert tab, then go to the recommended chart, then click on pie chart. You can select pie chart and recommended chart. Here is pie chart. You can see this pie chart, then press OK. Pie chart will be inserted. Okay, now move it into odd name sheet is distribution. You can copy this distribution, you can copy, and moving on Excel workbook and then go to the move chart, then click on new sheet is distribution. Okay, you should enter a chart title to describe the purpose of the chart. You will customize the pie chart to focus on the popular slides. Apply the style 12 chart style. Moving on Excel workbook, then click on chart style. Here is style 12. Apply the style 12 chart style. Now tap ACC 200 final grades for 2024 for the chart title. Moving on Excel workbook, you can click on chart title and you can paste chart title is here, or you can chart title is okay, chart title is here. Now explode A grade slice by 7%. Explode A grade slide by 7%. Moving on Excel workbook, here is A grade slides. Select this slide. Okay, you can explode this slide 7%. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Explode this slide 7%. Okay, you can close this. Now change the F grade slice to dark red. Change the F grade slice to dark red. F grade slice is here. You can see this. The F grade slice to dark red. You can select for this grade. Go to the home tab and then click on fill color. Here is dark red fill color on F grade slice. Okay, you can close this. Now remove the legend. Remove the legends. Moving on Excel workbook, click on plus sign and then remove legend on this slide. Okay, this is good now. Now moving on next question, question number 4. In question number 4, a best practice is to add all text on accessibility complaints. Add all text. Most students earn B and C grades. You can copy this B and C all text. Moving on Excel workbook, right click on this chart and then you can click on edit all text. You can add all text in this box, you can paste and you can tap here, then close it, all text will be added here. Now moving on, next question, question number 5. You want to add data labels to include the categories and percentage of the class that earn each letter grade. Add data label in the inside and position. Select data label option to display percentage and categories name. Remove the value data labels. Okay, in customer add data label in the inside and position. Moving on Excel workbook, click on data label and click on inside and position. Data label will be inside and position. Okay, select data label option to display percentage categories and remove the value data label. Moving on Excel workbook, then click on data label, more option, click on categories, percentage and remove the value. Okay, remove the value data label. You can see this value data label will be removed and then close it. Categories and percentage are shown. Select data label option to display percentage, categories name and percentage are displayed and then remove the value data labels. You can see this. Okay, you can contact me for your assignment help, your exam help, or you want to refer complete course. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. You can see this grades. I have done this course for my one student and he got A plus grade in their course. You can see all this grade is here shown. You can contact me for your any help, your assignment help, or you want to refer complete course. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Okay, moving on next question, question number 6. Question number 6 is that apply 18 point size and apply black text one font color to the data label. 18 pt font size. Moving on Excel workbook, you can select this and go to the home tab and click on font size. You can select 18 point font size and then text one font color to the data labels. Moving on Excel workbook, then click on home tab, then click on font color. Here is black text one font color. You can see this black text font color, then click on them for applying this color on font on data labels. Okay, this color will be applied on data labels. Question number 6 is done. Now moving on question number 7. You want to create a bar chart to depict grades for a sample of the students in the class. Okay, create a cluster bar chart using the range A5 to D5 and A18 to D23. The grades worksheet. Move the chart bar chart to its shown name sample scores. Okay, you can copy this range first. You can copy this range, create a cluster column, cluster bar chart. Moving on Excel workbook, then click on create sheets. First we will select this Excel workbook. You can enter this range first and then second range is that A18 to D23. Okay, now you can enter second range is that A18 to, press Ctrl and select second range A18 to D23. 18 to D23. In the grades worksheet, move the okay, create a cluster bar chart. Moving on Excel workbook, then click on insert tab, then click on recommended chart, and click on recommended chart, all charts. Okay, and then cluster bar chart, then press OK. A5 to D5. Okay, create a cluster bar chart using this. Moving on insert tab, then click on recommended chart. Recommended chart not available for date you selected. Okay, sorry, now I am selecting again this range A5 to D5. A5 to D5, and second range is that A18 to D23. Press Ctrl and select A18 to D23. Okay, now click on insert tab, now click on recommended chart, then you can cluster bar chart is here. Okay, press OK. Cluster bar chart will be inserted here. Now you can move this chart to new sheet sample scores. Moving on Excel workbook, then click on chart, then click on move chart, then click on new sheet name is sample score, then press ok, chart will be moved on new sheet. Now question number 8 is that customize the bar chart with these specifications. Style 5 chart style, moving on Excel workbook, then you can select style 5 chart style is here, you can see this style 5 chart style. Okay, then legend on right side 11 pt font size, moving on Excel workbook, click on plus sign, click on legend, here is right side. Okay, legend will be right side, and then click on legend, click on right side, legend will be right side, and then go to the home tab. Legend will be right side, and then (11 pt font size). Okay, (11 pt font size). Moving on Excel book, select legend, and then go to the home tab, then click on font size and 11 pt font size of legend. Now light gradient acid to fill color to the plot area, light gradient acid fill color to the plot area. Here is plot area, right click on this, click on format plot area, then click on gradient fill color, then click on gradient fill color, then click on preset gradients. Then here is light gradient acid fill to SN2, light gradient acid to fill color on plot area. This is done now. Now moving on next question, question number 9. Okay, tab sample student test code as the chart title. Okay, the charts needs a descriptive title. Moving on Excel workbook, click on chart title, you can copy and paste here, chart title will be added here. Now question number 10. In question number 10, add data labels in the outside and position for all data series. Format the final exam data series with blue, gray to text to fill color. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, click on plus sign, click on data label inside and position. You can see this data label will be outside and position, data label will be outside and position, and then final exam is here, final exam will be with final exam data series with blue, gray text to fill color. Moving on Excel workbook, and then click on home tab, and then click on fill color. Here is blue, gray text to fill color. Okay, this is done now, then you can close this. Now moving on next question. Next question is that select the category axis and change the font size to 12. Add all text. Okay, the student name displays reverse alphabetical order on the category axis. You want to display the name in alphabetical orders. Format the axis, add all text, select the category axis and display the categories is reverse order in the format axis task pane so that hers are listed at the top and second is listed at the bottom of the board text. Select the category axis and change the font size to 12. Moving on Excel workbook, you can select category axis and then you can change font size 12. You can see this category axis size will be changed. Now we will add all text here. You can copy all text. Moving on Excel workbook, right click on this chart, then click on edit all text. You can edit all text in here, click in box and then add all text here, and you can close this box. Okay, now question number 12 is that display the grades worksheet. Select the range E5 to F21, F31 and create a scatter chart. Cut the chart and paste to its salary 42, set height of 5.96 inches and width of 5.5 inches. Basically in this question we will have to create a scatter chart on grade worksheet. You can copy for this range. Moving on Excel workbook, then click on grade sheet and you can enter this range and then go to the insert tab, then click on recommended chart, then you can select scatter chart. You can select scatter chart. Okay, cut the chart and paste into cell A42. Moving on Excel workbook, right click on this chart. You can cut this chart and you can paste in cell A42. You can tap cell A42. Okay, you can paste here. Okay, set a height of 5.96 inches and width 5.5 inches. Moving on Excel workbook, click on format tab, then you can set height is here and width is here. You can copy this. Moving on Excel workbook, set height and width both are set. Now alt axis, the scatter chart shows the relationship between final grades and attendee. Okay, basically in this question we will have to add alt text. Moving on Excel workbook, right click on this chart, click on edit alt text, click on alt text box, then you can tap or paste in alt text in this box, then close this box. Okay, alt text will be added. Now moving on question number 14, titles will help pupil understand what is being plotted in the horizontal and vertical axis as well as overall chart's purpose. Make sure that scatter chart is selected, tap final average attendee relationship. You can copy this. Moving on Excel workbook, click on this chart and you can paste chart title in here. You can see this chart title is done now. 5.96 and 5 inches, 5.96 and 5.5 inches, sorry. Here is 5, not 5 inches, 5.5 inches. Okay, you can see this 5.5 inches. Okay, now chart title and bold the color. Okay, as the chart title, bold the title. You can bold this title, go to the home tab and click on bold. Tab percentage attendee is the primary horizontal axis title. Moving on Excel workbook, click on plus sign, click on axis title, primary horizontal title is here. You can edit primary horizontal title. Okay, this is done now. You can see this. I have done 85% of this assignment right now. For remaining question or you want to do it for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I will help you in your all assignment, exam, quiz and complete course. I am also handling many students courses from USA and Canada. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, access and many more courses. You can see this grade. I have done this course for my one student. He got A plus grade in their course. You can see this grade, A plus grade in their course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck. Thank you so much.